In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome not opening on Windows. If you've been frustrated by Chrome just sitting there, refusing to launch no matter what you do, you're not alone. This problem can pop up every so often, and while it can be quite annoying, it's usually pretty straightforward to fix. Let's walk through some simple steps to get Chrome working for you again. First, we're going to need to open the Task Manager. This is your go-to tool in Windows for managing applications and processes that are currently running. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and ES key at the same time. This will bring up the Task Manager window, where you can see all the programs and background processes that are active on your computer. Once Task Manager is open, take a careful look through the list of processes. What we're looking for here is any instance of Google Chrome that's running in the background. Sometimes, even if you can't see it, Chrome might be working behind the scenes, keeping it from launching new windows. Scroll through and pinpoint any processes with the name Google Chrome. Next, you'll need to end these Chrome processes. Go ahead and right-click on one of the Google Chrome entries. A context menu will appear, and you'll want to choose the option that says End Task. What this does is force Chrome to stop running entirely, eliminating any potential hiccups or glitches that might be causing it not to open properly. It's important to do this for each and every Chrome process you find in that list, just to be thorough. Now that you've cleared out all running instances of Chrome, it's time to try reopening it. Close the Task Manager and go ahead and try launching Google Chrome again. Simply double-click the Chrome icon on your desktop or find it through the Start menu. With any luck, it should open up without any trouble. And there you go. Hopefully, this straightforward method has solved the issue for you. In closing, dealing with a browser that refuses to open can be frustrating, especially when you're in the middle of something important. But with these steps, opening the Task Manager, identifying and ending Chrome processes, and then relaunching Chrome, you should be back in business in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you continue experiencing issues, there might be deeper underlying problems that require further investigation, so checking for updates or reinstalling Chrome could be the next steps. Until next time, happy browsing.